Hello, I'm Tommi Mäkinen. We're here for driving first time WRX 2015. Let's go to drive. This car is very close to the idea I wanted to have a rally car setup. The rear is controlling whole car very much. You can feel the rear wheels when you're turning in the corner. This new WRX is much closer to STI compared to previous one. It's so beautiful behavior with this gearbox. It's so accurate, changing so quickly, and you don't. This is a big step forward. I like to drive nice cars. I think this is the car what I would like to drive very much every day.